In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Aftership shipping notifications. By the end, you'll have clear, branded updates going out to your customers at the right moments in their delivery journey. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aftership. This makes it easy to reach the official site without typing a long URL. When the results appear, choose the correct link to the Aftership homepage. Look for the secure lock icon in your address bar and the official domain to make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Once you're on the site, click Log In. Sign in with your existing account details so you can access your dashboard. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow your usual process. After you land in the dashboard, you're ready to configure your notification experience. From the left sidebar, click on Tracking. This section is the backbone of your post-purchase experience where you'll manage how shipments are monitored and presented to customers. Next, navigate to tracking pages. Think of this as the customer-facing page where shoppers check their order status. The way you handle notifications should align with what they see here, so the messaging is consistent and reassuring. Now click Notifications, then click Flows. Flows are event-based messages that go out automatically as shipments move through their journey. This is where you control which moments trigger a message and how that message looks and feels. Select the status you want to trigger, such as in transit, out for delivery, or delivered, and toggle the switch to enabled. Choose only the statuses that genuinely add value for your customers. For example, enabling out for delivery can reduce "where is my order" questions on the day of arrival, while delivered helps confirm successful receipt. Keeping unnecessary statuses disabled avoids over-messaging and keeps your brand helpful rather than noisy. To fine-tune the content, click the edit icon on a template to open the editor. You can use the basic, advanced, or HTML editor to match your brand's voice and style. Keep your message clear, friendly, and actionable. Include the essentials like order or tracking references and a short description of what's happening next. Maintain consistent branding with your colors and tone, and keep paragraphs concise so they're easy to read on mobile. If you write for multiple regions, keep language neutral and avoid jargon so messages are universally understood. And that's it. You've set up Aftership shipping notifications with the right triggers and polished templates that reflect your brand. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.